Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packer and movers Moshi Pune. You always need the easy shifters and packers for you. We are the easy packers and movers available in the city. We provide the cheapest and reliable transfer of your good in Moshi of India. Car transport services by car carrier Moshi Pune. Our car shipping quotes are presumed to be door-to-door unless you specify otherwise. This means, whenever possible, movers will pick up and deliver your vehicles at your residence, office or any other place you designate. Best professionals packers and movers Moshi Pune. We are best to provide movers and packagers service. People move every day. Whether upgrading, downsizing, or just moving due to changing jobs, everyone moves. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter body truck Moshi Pune. When you have to shift your bike anywhere in India, then the best option is to hire the professional packers and movers for your bike transportation. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Moshi Pune. It is not the weight alone that matters, even the volume and size of the goods matter the most, as they require more space for transport. More the items, bigger the truck required to transport the home items. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation Moshi Pune. Moving locally can be very profitable, and the entire process can be carried out smoothly by hiring a trusted local relocation company. It's not easy to move or relocate large types of equipment. It takes a lot of planning. Relocation services Moshi Pune. If you plan to move soon, consider the benefits of using packing services. Any kind of relocation can be a daunting task that takes hours to pack, relocate and rearrange to a new location. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Moshi Pune. Moving to a different state can be difficult when you have to take care of everything along with moving of your pet as well. The paperwork for pet relocation seems like a nightmare, and there are a lot of things to be taken care of. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Moshi Pune. Warehouses play an important role in the process of price stabilization. It is achieved by the creation of time utility by warehousing. Warehouses are constructed in such a way as to minimize these risks. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Moshi Pune. All of our workers have been trained to relocate the things of office and industries with the highest safety standards. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Moshi Pune. The company provides insurance for any accidental damage during transportation. If your primary focus is the transportation of people, consumer goods, equipment, vehicles, pets and other many things, contact us on shifting@cargo.in, www.cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.